Hi. We here at STEGO Incorporated, we get a lot of questions. And some of those questions are related to heating, specifically as it relates to fan heaters. So what are some of those top reasons? Well, enclosures of all types, they have to have a holistic approach for the thermal management system. Some of those complex designs, well, they have to perform perfectly in every situation, which is almost impossible. But here at STEGO, we use German engineering, and that's to create the highest quality of thermal management components in your enclosures to protect those designs from anything that Mother Nature throws at it. So that begs the question, what is that top reason? And so it's really simply that one reason, not several. It's not a top 5, not a top 10, but one. And that one reason is there's a circulation of consistent temperature in the entire cabinet that protects against cold and removes condensation. And that causes a moisture and can lead to corrosion, thus reducing the life of the components. STEGO's lineup of enclosure thermal management systems allows you to have that formulation to have that temperature evenly distributed throughout the cabinet.
Moisture can build up not only in outdoor or poorly insulated enclosures, but also in highly protected and well-sealed enclosures. Moisture, especially when combined with aggressive gases and dust, that causes atmospheric corrosion and can result in the failure of components such as circuit breakers or bus bars, relays, integrated circuit boards, and transformers. Moisture and corrosion will remain low if the relative air humidity stays below 60%. However, if relative humidity is above 65%, that will significantly increase moisture and corrosion problems. This can be prevented by keeping the environment inside the control panel at a temperature as little as 9 degrees Fahrenheit, or even 5 degrees Celsius, which is higher than that of the ambient air.
That's it then, right? That's simple. Well, it can be with STEGO Thermal Management Solutions. After 40 years, we have the ability to maximize your uptime with your mission-critical applications, not only protecting the electronic components within the enclosure, but ultimately protecting your brand identity.